Now our productions including casters, wheels, stamping, machining, casting, forging, heat treating, molding, welding, gears, hook, wire rope and complete machined parts. And widely used in the fields of aerospace, computer, electronic, automotive, electric, railroad, pneumatic, hydraulic, construction equipment and marine, etc. We have been helping our customer design, engineer, test, and make 100% custom manufactured products to suit their specific needs. We have 2 casting furnace, large, medium and small punch, drilling press, sawing machine, grinding machine, milling machine, CNC lathes and more than 300 sets, with rubber vulcanizing machine, plastic machinery and polyurethane products production line more than 20 sets. With more than 40 stamping facilities, and an experienced Q&A team, which comprise of 2 engineers, 4 technicians and 10 qualified mold workers, we have much experience in manufacturing stamping mold, and quick prototype making. Our castings are suitable for export into various markets around the world. Able to complete castings in weights ranging from 100 grams through to 2 tons. Automatic WEL. Ding is used from 2000. Robot welding is the use of mechanized programmable tools, robots, which completely automate a welding process by both performing the weld and handling the part, improve productivity and quality.